Hi everyone, I'm Pam and I'm so excited that I'm going to be delivering a workshop for the lovely BWi community, and it's a masterclass about my favourite subject, all about video. Video is the quickest and easiest way to get your message out there to your audience, and with all of us watching more video content online, it can feel overwhelming to know exactly where to start. So I want to take some of that overwhelm away from you and show you a simpler way for video creation. This masterclass is for you if you're just getting started with video, or you've tried to make video but you weren't happy with how they turned out. It's also for you if you would like more creative ways to use video in your business without you getting in front of the camera all of the time. Because sometimes you might not want to feel like getting in front of the camera, you might not have time, or actually a different video approach might work more effectively for your message. In the event, I'm going to share my 3 simple steps that you can use for better video making, which will also save you a ton of time. The workshop is packed full of tips around getting confident in front of the camera. I'm going to share alternative ideas for making video, tools and apps that I use for my own video making, and I'll also be giving different ideas to make Instagram reels without you having to dance, point, or feel really silly. I'll be sharing lots of video examples as well to give you some inspiration for your own videos, but that's not it. During the workshop, you will be doing some work too. You'll be completing a video plan for your business in the masterclass, so that by the end of the session, you'll have a video plan which fits in with your marketing, which you can use straight away. I've been in the digital and video content industry for more than 20 years, so I've poured my experience into this masterclass, so I've got lots to share and I can't wait. So if you want to save many wasted hours figuring out the video world for yourself, then register for the event today and I will see you there.